Hi, I'm Anna Prince. This is my skull. I'm going to do my skull video. It's the mandible. It's going to go on there. And then this is my list of words. I'm just learning to identify. This is my desk. There's nothing else allowed on it. Just me and the skull. Let's start here. The frontal bone is right here. Parietal, there's one on each side. The temporal bone is right in here on both sides of the skull. The occipital right here in the back. So the coronal suture is right here, and it separates the frontal and the parietal bones. The sagittal suture separates the two parietal bones, it's right there. The squamous separates the temporal and the frontal and parietal. And the lambdoids, one with their Y, separates the occipital from the parietal. The nasal bone is going to be right here. Right here. The maxilla is right here. This is my mandible. The mental foramen are right there. It's all holes. The ramus is right here, along this edge. The notch, mandibular notch is right here. Mandibular condyle is this piece in the back. And the coronid process is right here. Coronoid. So I'm done with that. The zygomatic bone is the cheekbones right here. Sphenoid bone from the lateral view is right here, in between the frontal bone and the temporal. It's taken out right here. Ethmoid bone. Well, that's the perpendicular plate of the ethmoid bone, so it's kind of at the bottom. When you open it up, you see the crystal gallic, so this thing kind of sticks down right there, and it's you can kind of see it right in there as well. All right, lacrimal bone will be right behind the nasal bone. Nasolacrimal, it says bone here. I'm pretty sure it means the canal, so it's right there in between the nasal and the lacrimal bone. That's where the tears drain out. Let's see, the supraorbital foramen are the ones that are not really well defined on the skull, right above the eyes. The infraorbital are right here below. The superior orbital fissure is this right in here, and the inferior orbital fissure is this right here. Voimer, this is you can kind of see the half of it right there, the bottom half of the nasal septum, which is, that's, I said, the perpendicular plate of it's right there, the ethmoid bone. The middle and inferior conchas, the middle are these top two little prominences right here. The inferior are right there. Anterior nasal spine is going to be this little part right here, this little guy. External auditory meatus. Your glabella is right here in between your eyebrows. Your optic canal, your optic foramen. We'll go to this side. Go right through there. Your foramen rotundum over there is right here under the, did I skip that? Yeah, the greater, this is the lesser wing of the sphenoid bone, and this is the greater wing around here. So then I'm going to do this way, and that is the foramen ovale right here, second one. The little itty bitty one is the foramen spinosum. big ones, foramen magnum. These are the jugular canals. I'm sorry, jugular foramen and the carotid canals. This is the styloid process, the little sharp thing. Mastoid process is the rounder one, and then in between them you have the stylomastoid foramen. The palatine bone is the second, the last 2/3 back here of the hard palate. This is your incisive fossa. Let's see what else. Okay, your go back in here. Your cristogalia is this little top part of your ethmoid bone right here. That's like the rooster thing. The cribriform plate is what that sits on. All the little holes in it, and then the ciliatorica is this right here. It's like a little seat for the pituitary gland. That's part of the sphenoid bone. And the internal auditory meatus is going to be, let's see. Right through there. I believe so. Yeah. It doesn't connect, but right through there. Alright, so that should be that. Done.